Delicious, crispy, golden potatoes with a flavour so addictive, you'll wonder why you ever settled for anything else. And the best thing is, these breakfast potatoes are made in the air fryer. I'm going to show you how to turn breakfast potatoes from good to wow. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, breakfast potatoes, for some reason, really aren't a big thing in the UK, and I think we really need to change that, so I'm going to show you how. So let's get cooking. Now, I've got 450 grams, which is about a pound of floury potatoes here that have been peeled and chopped into approximate 1-inch chunks. You can use any floury potato you like. I'm using rooster potatoes, but russet or Maris Piper are also good choices. Pour over 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we're going to sprinkle on half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. And toss it all together to thoroughly coat those potatoes. Now transfer those seasoned potatoes to the air fryer basket and cook on the air fry setting at 200C or 400F for 10 minutes. Now don't wash that bowl up from your seasoned potatoes straight away, because we're going to use the leftover seasoning in the bottom of that bowl to season the vegetables. So I've got a red and a green bell pepper and an onion that have been sliced into nice chunky pieces. So add those vegetables to the bowl and give them a good shake to coat in that remaining oil and seasoning. After 10 minutes, give the air fryer basket a good shake, and then we're going to add in those peppers and onions. Shake again, and then we're going to air fry for a further 10 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through cooking. Everyone's always really impressed when we put these down on the breakfast table as a bit of a change from your normal UK fry-up. Put these on the breakfast table and they'll be absolutely demolished. But I don't think they're just for breakfast. I think they work great as a side dish for lunch and dinner too. And if you enjoyed these, then check out my playlist of all my favourite potato dishes here. See you next time.